have you back, and can you guess what we're doing today? We're making a cube square box, but we're gonna make it on a big thing. We're gonna make it on this. Stay with me and I'll teach you how to make this square box with this chart paper. So we'll need a chart paper, we'll need a stapler and glue and a ruler and a scissor and a pencil. Oh, this is the long side and this is the short side. So on the long side, we are going to be drawing 4 big equal sized boxes. And then on the short side, we are going to be drawing 3 equal boxes. So the big sides are 28 inches. The small sides are 22 inches. So just make a plus, a big plus. This is the middle of the chart paper. And I took 2.5 inches from here and 2.5 inches from there. So I made this line. So I'm going to draw 5 inches here and 5 inches here. So let's go ahead and do that. So I went ahead and put 5 more inches here and 5 more inches here. So now from here we're going to make a 5 more inches line. And here too. So let's go ahead and do that. So I went ahead and made one square box. So there's 5 inches here and here and here and here and here and here. So now we're gonna make another box here. Yeah, so I went ahead and made 5 inches here and here and here and here. So now we're gonna make 2 more boxes here. 5 inches and 5 inches. So now I went ahead and made 2 more boxes. So now we're gonna make another box here. 2 more boxes on the sides. So now I'm gonna do it. 5 inches. I'm gonna draw the 5 inches line. I'm gonna combine them. I went ahead and drawed 1 more box over here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes here and 2 boxes over here. So now I'm gonna draw the folding parts. So that's one of the folding part. So now I'm gonna do the others. So now we're going to cut this out. We're gonna cut like this and this. And then we're gonna cut like that all the way to back here. My mom's help to cut this, and you can take your parents' help to cut it. So now we're gonna fold it. So we're gonna fold each and every one of them like this. Okay, so I folded all of these 7 folding things. Now we're gonna put glue on here. It's almost done. So now we're gonna fold these boxes like this. Okay? So now I folded all of these lines. So now one this and one this. And one this. And one this. So now we're gonna glue. So now we're gonna put glue here, and then we're gonna like put these inside and put it like this. Like that. So make sure these two parts are inside like this. Not outside like this. Make sure they're not outside. Make sure they're inside like this. After gluing it, it's optional if you want to staple it. So I stapled it inside here. So now we're gonna put glue on here too, on these sides. So now let's do it. So I glued it and stapled it inside here. All of them. So now you have a box. So now you can just like close it and you can close it. Okay? And then you can like surprise someone or make this into a Jack in the Box. Or put something inside this. Like your school stuff, a stapler, anything. So now I'm gonna color it now with these colors. Okay, so now I'm done with the long. So now I want to show you. This is my sheet box. So here's my name. Here's my name. This is a triangular prism. This is a rectangular prism. This is a cone. This is a sphere. And this is an oval. And this is a cube. And this is a circle. And this is a sphere. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. So, bye. Hope you have a great